Top 5 JMeter mistakes. If you're new to JMeter, avoid these rookie mistakes. 1. Running too many users on a weak laptop. It's not JMeter's fault, the system's CPU and memory are the first to reach their limits. 2. No ramp-up period. Launching 100 users simultaneously isn't a valid test, it resembles a server overload scenario. 3. Forgetting assertions. As you can see, JMeter gives multiple options like response assertion, size assertion, duration assertion, JSON, XML, XPath, and more. Each one helps us test a different condition. Without assertions, there's no way to validate whether the test truly passed. 4. Not parameterizing test data. Simulating 1000 users with identical login credentials is unrealistic and invalidates the test. 5. Misreading reports. Remember, throughput and response time are distinct metrics. Do not confuse them. So in short, avoiding these mistakes equals smarter load tests. For more such tips, subscribe to our channel IPSR Solutions Limited.